You know, great ideas, they are not born in the office, but they are born talking to gurus.
Say what? To gurus?
Yeah, to gurus. I mean, you go and talk to them and you get this.
Well, coming up with the idea of the game required a lot of research.
The answer you seek is
Bigger birds.
No.
Well, the process of developing the game has been interesting. I have this amazing idea. It's about rocks.
And the rocks are carried by birds.
No,
Where are the birds?
no birds. It's about rocks.
With birds on top?
Getting to know the guys has been quite the experience.
She's right behind me, isn't she?
Yep.
I think I've learned a lot from the process.
Guys, I think it's really ready.
I think it looks brilliant. I love it! I love it, guys! I love it! It's great! I love it! Good job! Hang in there. Literally, hang in there.